This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your X or Twitter DMs not sending or receiving. Let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is check if the DMs are enabled. Simply go ahead and open your X application. Click on your profile icon on the top right. Click on settings and privacy right over here and try to look for your direct messages tab. If you don't find it, you can simply go ahead and search right over here or just search DM. If you still don't find it, you can simply go ahead and click on your account right over here. You need to simply click on privacy and safety, click on chat, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and enable it. So right over here, allow message requests from everyone or verified users and so on right over here. So once you've done that, if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is head to App Store, click on your profile, click on personalized recommendations, clear app usage data. This will clear all the cache and head to settings, head to general, head all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings and reset all settings. Once you've done that, try uninstalling and reinstalling your application and restarting your phone and your problem should be fixed. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.